when you have binary and you make an addition, you have to follow these simple rules that I will explain here. So 0 plus 0, it will be 0, 1 plus 0 will be 1, 0 plus 1 will be 1, and 1 plus 1 will be 0, and carry 1 bit, 1. So in this simple addition, we have number 1 plus number 3 equal to 4, right? So number 1, you remember, this is 2 to the power of 0, and this is 2 to the power of 1. So this is equal to 1 because we take only the one that is 1, and this one with 2 power of 1, 2 plus 2 power 0, 1, this will be 3. So 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1 no here. This 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1 here, and then we take this one. Then subtraction, we have 1 minus 1 will be 0. Then we have 0 minus 1. We cannot do this operation, so we borrow 1, and then this become in decimal, this will be decimal will be 2, and this in decimal will be 1, so it will be 1. So when you borrow this 1 to 0 minus 1, it will be equal to 1. Another example here, 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 1 minus 0, 1. Here we have the numbers 5 minus 3 equal 2, 11 minus 3 equal 8, and you can practice by yourself putting 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, and 2 to the power 3. So this will be 8. Multiplication, 1 multiplied by 1 equal to 1. Then 1 multiplied by 0 equal to 0. 1 multiplied by 1 equal to 1. Then we take the second one, we put a 0 here. We start now here, 1 multiplied by 1, 1, 1 multiplied by 0, 0, 1 multiplied by 1, 1. Then we do an addition, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1.